Well, hello there, and welcome to this Arduino tutorial number 3. And today I will be talking about potentiometers. So, what are potentiometers? And, alright, so potentiometers are these things. Wait, remove this. Alright, these things. So, what is this? By the way, it comes with this. So, if you bought the Amazon kit, just it comes with this. So, put this inside, and you can turn this thing. Alright, you can turn this. And you can do a bunch of stuff with it. So if you can turn something, let's say you can do a light dimmer, or I don't know, but I can't think right now. So what I'm gonna do is a light dimmer today. So stay tuned for the video. And also, I have a light sensor tutorial coming. It's you have this light sensor, and what you're gonna do is like the light sensor is gonna detect light, the color of the light, the color of the like paper, and then it's going to display this on an LED. So stay tuned for that in future videos, all right? So yeah. So now when you have the potentiometer, you bought it from the Arduino starter kit from Amazon, all right? And today I will show you the hardware, the software, everything you need to know. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I will put the uh, the stuff you need on the screen. If my editor can do that, I think it can. Yeah, I think it can. It can do that. So if you didn't already download Arduino, go download it. So crap. Open up your ideally. Open up your Python ideally. Alright, open that up. Hopefully it doesn't open the other one I did. Okay, it did. Okay. Don't see the code. That's the code for the light dimmer. I already did it just to make sure it works. And now I'm going to show you the hardware first. So stay tuned for that. Alright, everybody. So now let's do the hardware. So everything you need is here. So jumper wires, a 220 ohm resistor, and a potentiometer. So now let's start with the potentiometer. So as you can see, there's two pins here and one pin here. Let's put them on between the column separator. So this is the column separator. So this is the column separator in the middle. Let's just put him on top of it. So like this. And then I'm going to put my LED, and the long leg is going to go to pin 6, and the short leg is going to go to pin 7. And I'm going to start connecting the LED first. So you have your resistor, and the resistor is connected to the long leg, and the other resistor leg is going to be connected to pin 9, and make sure it is connected to a pin with a squiggly on it. Alright, so you can see the squigglies. There's like 9, 10, 11. What is that? It's pulse width modulation. So you can control it when there's a squiggly. When there's no squiggly, you can't control the LED. So now we're going to control it with the potentiometer. Make sure there's a squiggly on it. So now take another jumper wire and connect it to the small leg of the LED onto connected to ground. As you can see, ground. And now let's start connecting the potentiometer. So the left leg, so as you can see, the left leg right here is gonna go to the ground. So connect it to ground. And then the right leg is gonna connect to 5 volts. So 5 volt is here. And then the middle leg is gonna connect to one of those analog reads. So one of A0 to A5. So connect that. I'm gonna connect it to A0. And that's pretty much it for the hardware. It's pretty simple. So yeah. Alright guys, so now that we just did the hardware, let's do the software. So come up to here, and if you didn't install Arduino already, go check out my first video. So open up your IDLE or your sketch, and we're going to declare 3 variables on top of the void setup. So first variable is going to be int pot pin, which is equal to A0, right? It's A0. And then the second one is going to be int pot val, which is pot value. I mean, by the way, when I mean pot, it's potentiometer. This is equals 0, and the last one's going to be red lead, which is going to be equal to they put it 8. Yeah, 8. And then void setup, we're going to put one line of code. It's going to be pin mode, then this, and then red lead and output. So we're going to read it from the red lead. And now here in the void loop, we're going to create three lines of code in the void loop. So first line is pot value. So let's declare pot value is going to be equal to analog write. Am I right, guys? No, it's analog read. Analog read. Like this. And then here, what are we going to put? Pot pin, potentiometer pin. And then we're going to declare, or no, not going to declare actually. Let's just put analog write. And in here, put semicolon. And what is this pot val equal analog read? It's reading from pot pin. So the value of pot pin, we're storing it into pot val. Now, and here is going to LED, and then it's going to be pot val divided by 4. So this is actually going to write the LED to the value of the potentiometer. Why divided by 4? Because that's how you declare, or that's how you change it into the LED, or like, because it becomes divided by 4, the value of it divided by 4, and then it becomes between 0 to 5. Let's just put a delay here of maybe 5. No, 10 is enough actually. 10 milliseconds. So let's run this. Don't forget to plug your USB into your computer and run this. And LED was not declared in the scope. Great, I put LED instead of red lead. Alright, so don't make mistakes like me. Alright, so red lead. And hopefully everything's good. And done uploading. And it works perfectly, as you can see.